okuhereza ebintu ebyokukozesa omukuteza obururu a polling stations eziri kwingana bishatu 22 kwatandika aha shayi 10 ezekiro kandi polling stations enyingi zigura shahi emwe obwo abakuru omu by'obururu abokureba obururu ko buraterwe ahamwe n'aba agents bona bariho bitu oyihireho ebyona emyanya mingi yo kuterera hakaruru yabetariho bantu kandi ndijo yaberiho abantu bace.
Started dispatching the polling kit at 4, beginning with the faraway sub-counties. By 5:45 we are on the last sub-county, which is the Central Division and Soro Municipality.
Oyireho kuyija bacererirwe abantu abari kwebembera ebyo butegeki bayongera kwiga abantu okugira ngo bije batera karuru. Rose Kabageni okwasire benda y'ekibine cha NRM yatera karuru ke ahari Kikongoro polling station ashayitano dakika 20 kandi oguyagira ngo okutandika bacererirwe kutera karuru no kugira ngo abantu binjo mu district ya Kisoro n'abahinji ababanzo mu misiri yabo okugira ebibabanza kutereza oguyahiga abantu okuyija okutera karuru mbuyire kugira ngo batateganisibwa.
We have I've been calling all my agents and coordinators all over the district. We have not had a serious a challenge. Only that there is likely to be low voter turnout because many polling stations, it's like they have reported really low voter turnout. Even here, as I have voted, I see the line is small, but maybe people will come. We urge people to come before the time of closing the polling station comes. But
Grace Achfeza Ngabirano oyesimbira tine kibina akaruruke yakaterera ahari Nombe Primary School omutawuni ya Rubuguri Shaitano kandogu yabashendekerezi bo mushija we Michael Ngabirano. Banyuma yo kutera akaruruke Achfeza yagira ngo nobwo akaruruka atandika kurunje ngo bitwa hari amakuru agarikoreka ngo hina abantu abariyo nibibo bururu omuri Busanza.
Honorable Kamara ha station yeye yazayo ngo yeha amaniko bagamba batera amasimu ya aba agents banje yabiha amasimu kuyamara kugabiha ngo batamukwate bishani yakwate bururu bwinji yabutomuci yabuta ubururu bwinji yabutomuci boxi.
Salim Sultana wo kibine cha NUP yatera karuruke omuri New Kisoro Tax Park omuri municipality kandogu yagira ngo ba agents be babani bateganisibwa ari kugira ngo abinji amabarahagu babire babahire bagabiyaho.
So far our agents have been complaining. We have agents in Nyundo whereby they have pushed them from polling stations. Our people who are serving polling agent letters have been caught by security. That's in Nyundo and Nyakabande.
Ebyo bikiri aho okwetombuitwa okwo kugira ngo haraba kwibo bururo muri Busanza twakubuzaho ori omugambirizi wa polisi mu cyange cya Kigezi Iremate kandi yahamya ngo abantu mushanju nibo bakwatwa.
Ku ground waliwo cyabagamba nti Honorable Kamara yagenze ku station ebusa Sanani mu Busanza sub county nakebero obululu nabuteka mu box naye abantu babadde balaba ne electoral commission chairperson yatuseeyo kenyini wenjogerera tumunonya kubanga guno musango gulinga emisango emirala twali muntu ali wagulu wa mateeka.
Kugaruka muko kutera karuru ni kwija wanyuma yo kufa okwasara mateke wabirari omunyeshenjero kazi owafiro mu kwezi kwa mwendo mwaka ogu. Abantu mukaga nibo bari kwenda entebeji barimu owekibina echa NRM Rose Kabageni, Salim Sultana owa National Unity Platform, Aisha Chimpaye owa People's Progressive Party, Juliet Musanase owekibina echa FDC, Mebo Ingabire wa Uganda People's Congress ahamwe na Grace Achfeza Ngabirano oyesimbira tine kibina. Aho twaza kwandikira makoraga okubaro bururu kwandikuje no misho kandi omuriro guri hagati ya Achfeza ahamwe na Kabagenyi.